I'm going to show you how to do easy calculations on a tape measure. Now, if you start here at the 2, I got to add 7/8 plus a half an inch. So you come over here to where 7/8 is, right there, and then a half is 4/8. So you count over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's an inch and 3/8. All right. So I got to add 120 and 7/8 plus 9.5. So this 7/8 plus a half is 3/8. 1 and 3/8. Carry the 1. That makes this 0. That makes, carry another 1. That makes this 3. So it's 130 and 3/8. So now I measure from that board over there, right there, to this one over here, and I measured that, and then I measured the same distance from this board over there to down here, and I made a mark on the cement. Alright, that is where I want this next board to be, and it's going to go from down there all the way over there. Okay, now I need to notch this for the sidewalk, or for this patio, and part of the patio is sticking up too far, so I've got to notch it. I've got to take about 1.25 inches right from here. So the way I'm going to do that is, first of all, I'm going to take this saw, make a little kerf right here. A kerf is a saw cut. So I'm going to make the kerf here. And first of all, I'm going to clamp this down. And make sure that it's sticking out at least 1.25 inches. Right, once I have that now, take my chalk line, run it from my mark, 1.25 inches, make it a little bit bigger. Now I've got to dig this area out where this grass is, because so I can get this board in there. Okay, the board that's back there along that area right there, I'm going to keep that there, and I want to make that level with this next section. This one over here, that one right there, I'm going to place it in a similar manner as to what I did over here, because I want these areas to be sectioned off. Is I'm going to use a wheelbarrow, fill in those spots that are missing, and then I'm going to use this trowel down here to fix it.